Well, it's a bit better now. We just walked right up the end there. Been talking to a few people. It's nice. It rained all the way there, but although the wind's blowing, there's lots of water sports things going on here. The rain's stopped for the moment. We've got a bit. You can see the Old Harry and that Purbeck. Isle of Wight has disappeared again. But there's a big thing going on here. Look, something to do with life-saving championships. I suppose that'll be over the weekend. There's always stuff going on here. Lots of stuff. Oh, cliffs are looking good. Cliff. Yeah. How's Sherp? You okay, Sherp? Sherp's alright. She's forgiven me for treading on her. She's been having a game with a little dog up there, Trixie. It's drying out. Drying out. Supposed to be nice tomorrow. The actual forecast, the long range, is pretty good. It looks like we might get a bit of summer. We need some summer. A bit of sunshine. I've got my coat on today. Right, we'll get Sherbet running round the groin. Nice to do that. Oh, here we go. Bye, Sherb. Bye. Going now. Here she goes. Bye. Woohoo! Woohoo! Good girl. There you go. You're a good girl, aren't you? Eh? You're a good girl. You lolly. You lolly you are. You lolly girl. Gonna get Daddy. You're gonna get me. You get me. Gonna get me. Come on then. Oh, this is better. It's not cold. Thought it might be. You wait and see the weekend. Well, tomorrow, Friday, that'll fill up tomorrow because all the kids are on holiday now. So we need some people down here. The old traders down here need the money. I like it when there's people here. I like it when there's not people here. I don't mind. It's quite nice, but I like it when people. Things going on. It's nice. Oh, we can see the pier a bit clearer now. Okay, I think that'll do.